If you want to add fingerprint on Redmi 15, then first of all, we need to open settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And now over here, we have fingerprint unlock. To be able to set up the fingerprint, we need to have a screen lock password set up first. So if you don't have one, you have to do that first. So we're gonna go over here and enter the current password and proceed by pressing next. And as you can see over here, the fingerprint sensor is located on the right edge of your device, so on the power button. So we need to touch the power button, and now we need to put our finger on the button and then lift. And after that, we have to just keep repeating that all the time until this whole thing is filled with blue color. So try to scan your finger from different positions, from different angles, so that in the future you don't have any issues with unlocking your device. There we go. You may also see some additional tips on the screen, so be sure to read them. And soon we should be able to scan our whole finger. And there we go. Once you are done, you can set up the name for your fingerprint and press done. And here we have fingerprint settings, where you can find the fingerprint. You can add another one. You can also find the fingerprint recognition method, which can be set to touch or press, and some additional options like where you want to use the fingerprint sensor for. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.